Rocker Pat here. Alright guys, I've been out here pulling for about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. I don't know, maybe it's been about an hour. I don't know how long it's been. It really hasn't been all that long. We got all the dent out that we need to get out for this bad boy. I got the core support all straight wherever it is in the camera. And watch how this hood shuts. There you go, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. I am not concerned about these dents in the fender. I am not concerned about any of it. The only thing I'm concerned about is getting the headlights back in this truck and getting the grill back in it so that I can drive it down the road. Because the only problem with it, oh, and the other thing I got fixed is the door is no longer dragging. But yeah, it's scheduled to be totaled. I don't see it as a totaled vehicle. I mean, seriously, what else do I got to do to fix it? All right, guys, y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. And I'm going to keep grinding it down. It's a short one. Talk to y'all next time.